Replacement theology is the theory that everything that was said of Israel is now totally replaced by the church. In other words, everything Israel does is now done by the church. Now, there's truth and error in that. It is certainly true that many of the Israelite texts in the Old Testament are applied to the church. The obvious one, but Exodus 19, where Israel is commissioned to be priests and kings. Well, we all know from 1 Peter chapter 1 or 2, is it, that those Israelite texts from Exodus 19 are applied to us. We're the people of God. We're the holy nation. We're the kings and the priests. Jesus said it very often. That's true. Having said that, however, that's not the whole story. Because in Romans chapter 9 through 11, Paul is very, very keen to tell us that God is not finished with what I might call now ethnic Israel, the 10 tribes and the 2, wherever the 10 tribes may be. He is not finished with them. For the moment they are blinded, they have been hardened. They're not serving God as they should. But that's not the end of the story, because through the Great Tribulation, probably a remnant of now blinded ethnic Israel, which is not the church, will come to faith. And so, yes and no to the question of replacement. Unfortunately, people polarize one or the other. They say, oh, no, nothing that's said of Israel should ever be true of the church. That's just wrong, because Paul describes the Israel of the flesh that's lost in our modern translations. I think that's 1 Corinthians 10:18, where Paul refers to ethnic, blinded, hardened Israelites as the Israel of the flesh, implying, of course, that there's an Israel of the spirit. And there is indeed, when he refers to us Christians, international group, as being the true circumcision, the true Jews. When he speaks of the church as the Israel of God in Galatians 6:16, that's really not very difficult. It's a matter of keeping both things nicely in balance. We've had considerable experience with that, by the way, over the years. I've been doing this, and this doesn't guarantee any kind of getting it right. But the best one can do after 45 years at looking at these questions, reading everything I can find in several languages, teaching in the Bible college for 25 years, this, again, guarantees nothing. But at least I am aware of these problems and have had a chance to look at.